Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will continue with the update context from child component. So for this example, we will pass a function into the context. Okay, we can see for example, we have the theme context here, and I will add more. Okay, let me cut this one. So now for the data inside the context, we will create as the object. The object also have the theme. Theme is with the value theme dark. And now I add more the change theme. This is the function. Okay, so now I pass a function into the context to allow the consumers to update. Okay, and now we can go back to the grandparent component, and in this one for the render, I will create constant theme and method. So this is the object. Okay, object including the theme and the method, and we have the theme is the state theme, and we have change theme methods. This oh yeah, change theme. Okay, and right now the value, instead of adding the theme for here, we will add the theme and method. Okay, and we don't need the change the button here. We will copy it, move it to into the child component. So inside the child component, right now we have the theme, okay, the object including theme and also the change theme, and we add more button below the H1, and in the on click, I will call the change theme. Okay, change theme. All right, and now let's run the program. Okay, now click on change theme. All right, we have the same result from the previous one, right? Because right now the change button is in the child component, not in the grandparent component. Okay, because we have passed the method into the context, and so that the child component can get the method inside the context like this. Okay, and now let's create more example for consuming multiple contexts. Just remember about some previous video, we have added a message context, right? A message context. So if you want to add more context, how you can do that? So we can split multiple contexts to quickly re-render the component tree by okay, go to So let's go to the theme context and create another export constant. Now we create okay, I think we should split the code into file, because create into the same file will be not good. Okay, new file, and okay, I think we'll copy the theme context for fast. Rename this one to the message context, and inside this one we remove this and change the name to the message context and create context. Okay, and I will set the message context display name equal the message context. Okay, and export default. Okay, because we exported first here, so we don't need to do that again. Alright, so let's save it, and now we go to the grandparent component, and below the theme and method we will create more variable message equal the message from grandparent. Okay, and now I will surround the theme context with more message content provider. Okay, you can do this one. If you have more content, you can do something like this again. Okay, you can have more nested tag, nested content in together. Okay, and don't forget to put the value for the content. So the value is the message. Okay, and now go to the child component, and for the child component we so this one is a function. Alright, we can do something like because we need to surround consumer the message context consumer. Okay, and surround all the things inside DOM like this, and let's create using the curly brackets and add the message like this, and use the parentheses and copy all the code here into this one. Okay, and we can use the message now in here, message. Okay, and save it, and now we go back to the app. Alright, you can see here we have the message from grandparent here, and we can also change the theme like this. Alright, so this is how we can create multiple consuming contests. Very easy, right? Yeah, I think that's all for this video, and if you have any question, feel free to comment below. And if you like the video, please click on the like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.